Wow. Look at this view. I feel like I'm on top of the world right now. You can see everything. Hello from Cancun. We are at the Renaissance.
So we just checked in. We were pre-upgraded to room 1105. This hotel has 12 floors and we're one floor down from the top floor. This is the Marina view that was pre-upgraded for us, so let's come check it out. So at first sight, this room doesn't look very huge, but the view is to die for. So coming in, we have open concept closet space, and we have the bathroom with a sliding door, so really cool. Like Reedy said, this hotel was just opened 4 months ago. Everything felt really new. You can still smell like the newness of the hotel rooms. Bathroom has toilet, open concept, vanity sink, Aveda toiletries, towels, wing-skill, blow dryer, and standing shower. It's interesting because they have this like sliding door as well, glass sliding door. Fancy. You can slide it back up.
Everything is very clean, very sleek, and very new.
Which is awesome. And over here we have the mini bar area, tea, complimentary water, espresso machine. This is the mini bar refrigerator, which is kind of weird because I think they locked it, so we can't really open it. Anyway, moving in, we have the bedroom space, work desk area, which is very spacious, power sockets, universal USB ports, and obviously the elephant in the room, like this is at least a 60-inch or 70-inch TV. It's massive.
Yep. And then to the right over here, we have a king-size bed. Yes, huge and very comfy. I tested already. And then we also have power sockets on each side of the bed, which is super important, especially when you have 2 guests sharing a room.
Yes. And I really like the decor of this hotel. Like, it's almost like a W, but it's not. It's kind of different, quirky, and fun. I really liked how this Renaissance kind of take a quick spin, like a quirky spin of like a design in Mexico and Cancun. So as you can see, like they have plates, ornamental skulls that are decorated with florals and patterns and motifs. It's really cool. Very beachy, but also very modern and contemporary. Then we have these like this interesting lounge space with coffee table and all the decor. And this is the prize money. The Marina view. So this hotel is built upon this massive marina area, which they're currently developing into a luxury space. And this is like the prime location of everything because the hotel is connected to this massive mall. And earlier today we were having dinner by the open air food court with live music and people dancing, and it was really nice. Like the vibe was great, the atmosphere is great, and I think this is gonna look so spectacular in the morning because view of the marina is just stellar. Also, when we went upstairs, there is an open air gym with a balcony in the gym. And the best part is that they have a jacuzzi overlooking this marina view, which is so awesome. We're gonna enjoy the room and enjoy the space. And this is the Renaissance Marina Resort in Cancun. So we're so excited to spend 2 nights here. It is a brand new hotel, only 4 months old, and we are so excited to be here tonight. And so thank you for joining us. We're in a jacuzzi on the top floor in a Renaissance hotel.
It is so awesome.
Oh, look at this view. Wow. We just came out from the jacuzzi in the top floor of this Renaissance hotel and it was stunning. Like, oh my god, it feels so good.
It was so worth it. Like, there's no one else here, it's just the 2 of us, and we just had the most amazing experience. It is so special.
The bubbles are like massages on our feet that we never got for like months. And now we came out, like after the whole like soak, we come out like a new man. It's just so amazing.
Look at us, we're glistening.
We're gonna sleep so well tonight. Like, oh. Gym has a balcony. What's going on today?
We are on our last day at the Renaissance in Puerto, Cancun. And today we are moving to our next hotel, which is the Westin Laguna Ma. It's literally down the street in Hotel Zone, but down the street means 15-20 minute drive or a 2.5 hour walk. So we're gonna figure out how we can make our way over there. There is a Hotel Zone bus that's about 8.50 pesos, but it is about a 1 kilometer walk. So we're still deciding what to do, but it should be fun.